Welcome to our guide on how to enable message reminders notifications on Snapchat. Stay on top of your conversations and never miss an important message again with these simple steps. Step 1. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your avatar or profile picture located at the top left of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Look for the settings icon at the top right of the screen and tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, find and tap on notifications. Step 5. Scroll down until you see the option to mark message reminders. Ensure this setting is toggled on to receive notifications for message reminders. By following these quick and easy steps, you'll be able to enable message reminders notifications on Snapchat. Keep your conversations organized and never miss an important message again. Stay connected and up to date with your friends by enabling message reminders today.